In this video, we'll learn about labels. For many people, keeping the inbox organized or even reaching inbox zero is really important. Labels help you do exactly that, to sort your inbox and organize your incoming emails into defined labels or folders. To create a label, first go to Workspaces, open the space, and now go to Labels on the left menu. Once there, click Add New Label. Let's say we want to mark our sales emails as New Leads and keep them in a separate folder. I'll name this label New Leads. You can optionally add a description, so you remember what this label is for. You can also choose a color if you'd like. Now click Save. Next, we'll go back to Rules. Open the sales rule we created earlier and scroll down to the Assign Label section. Enable Labeling option and choose the New Leads label we just created. When Snoooz detects a sales inquiry, it will automatically tag the email as a new lead. If the label doesn't already exist in your mailbox, Snoooz will create it for you. If you prefer a zero inbox setup, you can also enable the Move Email option. This will move the email out of your inbox and into the New Leads folder. And that's it. Your inbox just got a lot more organized.